Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're diving into the world of coding with Python. Now, I know what you might be thinking, coding? Sounds complicated, right? But trust me on this one. If you're just starting your coding journey, Python is the perfect place to begin. We're gonna break down exactly why Python is so beginner-friendly, from its super clean syntax to the massive community supporting new learners. We'll explore how Python is used in the real world, from web development to data science, and why it's one of the most sought-after skills in the tech industry. So whether you're curious about coding, looking to switch careers, or just want to add a valuable skill to your toolkit, stick around to find out why Python should be your go-to language. First things first, let's talk about why Python is so easy to pick up. Python is often touted as one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages, and there's a good reason for that. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability and simplicity, which makes it an excellent choice for newcomers to the world of coding. Unlike some other coding languages that look like straight-up hieroglyphics, Python's syntax is intuitive and straightforward. This means that even if you're new to programming, you can quickly grasp the basics without feeling overwhelmed by complex symbols and structures. Python's syntax, that's the way code is written, is designed to be clean, simple, and as close to plain English as possible. This design choice is intentional, aimed at making the language accessible to as many people as possible. When you write Python code, it almost feels like you're writing sentences in English, which can be a huge confidence booster for beginners. Think about it like this. You wouldn't try to learn a new language by starting with Shakespeare, right? Instead, you'd begin with simple, everyday phrases that you can use in real-life situations. The same principle applies to learning programming languages. You'd start with basic phrases, everyday vocabulary. Python serves as that basic, everyday language in the coding world. It allows you to get up and running quickly without having to wade through a sea of complex syntax and rules. Python is kind of like that beginner-friendly version of the coding world. It's designed to be approachable and easy to learn, which is why it's often recommended as the first language for new programmers. The simplicity of Python doesn't just make it easier to learn, it also makes it more enjoyable. For example, if you want to display something on the screen, the code in Python is literally just print, "Hello world." You see that? It's like you're telling the computer what to do in plain English. This kind of straightforwardness is what sets Python apart from many other programming languages. It allows you to focus on solving problems and building projects, rather than getting bogged down by the intricacies of the language itself. And this focus on readability makes a huge difference when you're just starting out. It means you can spend less time deciphering cryptic symbols and more time actually understanding the logic and concepts behind the code. This is crucial for building a strong foundation in programming. It means you can spend less time deciphering cryptic symbols and more time actually understanding the logic and concepts behind the code. This is crucial for building a strong foundation in programming. When you can read and understand code easily, you're more likely to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Plus, this straightforward syntax makes it easier to catch mistakes, debug your code, and get things working the way you want them to. Debugging is an essential skill for any programmer, and Python's readability makes it less daunting. You can quickly identify where things have gone wrong and fix them without tearing your hair out. It's all about that smooth learning curve, people. Python's simplicity and readability make the learning process smoother and more enjoyable. As you progress, you'll find that these early experiences with Python will give you the confidence and skills to tackle more complex programming challenges in the future. So, if you're just starting out, Python is definitely the way to go. Now let's talk about the Python community, because this is where things get really interesting. Python isn't just a programming language, it's a vibrant ecosystem filled with people from all walks of life. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or a professional developer, there's a place for you in this community. Python has this massive, global community of programmers, from total beginners to seasoned pros, and everyone is incredibly welcoming and supportive. It's like joining a global club where everyone shares a common interest and is eager to help each other out. Think of it like a giant online study group, but way cooler. Imagine having access to thousands of people who are all learning and growing together, sharing tips, tricks, and resources. It's a collaborative environment where you can ask questions, share your knowledge, and learn from others. There are countless free resources available online, like YouTube tutorials where you can find videos on just about any Python topic you can think of. From basic syntax to advanced machine learning techniques, there's a tutorial out there for you. Interactive coding platforms like Codecademy offer hands-on exercises that let you practice what you're learning in real time. These platforms are great for reinforcing your knowledge and building your confidence as you progress. And if you're looking for more structured learning, there are even full-blown courses on Coursera and other online education platforms. These courses are often taught by industry experts and professors from top universities, providing you with a high-quality education from the comfort of your home. And if you ever hit a snag, which, let's be real, you probably will at some point, you can turn to the Python documentation, which is like the official instruction manual. It's comprehensive and well-organized, making it easy to find the information you need. Or hit up forums like Stack Overflow and Reddit. These platforms are filled with experienced developers who are more than willing to help you troubleshoot your code, offer advice, and share their own experiences. These places are like the coding equivalent of tech support, but instead of long wait times and unhelpful representatives, you've got a whole army of helpful folks ready to answer your questions and guide you in the right direction. It's a community-driven support system that you can rely on. This strong sense of community is one of the things that makes Python so unique. It's not just about writing code, it's about being part of a global movement that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. It's like having a built-in support system that's always there to help you succeed. Whether you're debugging a tricky problem, looking for career advice, or just want to share your latest project, the Python community is there for you every step of the way. So dive in, get involved, and see for yourself just how amazing this community can be. Okay, so we've established that Python is easy to learn. It's often the first language that new programmers dive into, and for good reason. Its syntax is clean and readable, which means you can focus on learning programming concepts without getting bogged down by complex syntax rules. And let's not forget the super supportive community. Whether you're stuck on a problem or looking for project inspiration, there's always someone willing to help. Online forums, coding meetups, and social media groups are filled with Python enthusiasts ready to share their knowledge. But here's the thing. Python isn't just some beginner-friendly language that you'll outgrow once you learn the ropes. Python is seriously versatile. It's a language that grows with you, adapting to your needs as you become more experienced. It's used in so many different areas of tech, it's kind of ridiculous. From web development to data science, from artificial intelligence to automation, Python has a foothold in almost every tech field you can think of. We're talking web development with frameworks like Django and Flask, which make building robust web applications a breeze. These frameworks come with a lot of built-in features, so you can focus on what makes your project unique. Then there's data science and AI with libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow. These tools allow you to manipulate data, build machine learning models, and even create neural networks. Automation and scripting are also huge, with Python being the go-to language for automating repetitive tasks. Companies like Google, Netflix, even NASA, they all rely heavily on Python. These industry giants use Python for a variety of applications, from data analysis to web services, and even space exploration. And because it's used in so many different fields, learning Python opens up a ton of career opportunities. Whether you're interested in becoming a web developer, a data scientist, or an automation engineer, Python has you covered. Learning Python opens up a ton of career opportunities, and we're talking about some seriously high-paying jobs. The demand for Python developers is skyrocketing, and companies are willing to pay top dollar for skilled professionals. And we're talking about some seriously high-paying jobs. Python developers are among the highest paid in the tech industry, and the opportunities for advancement are plentiful. So whether you're dreaming of building the next big website, analyzing complex data sets, or even automating your entire workflow, Python gives you the tools to do it all. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Or even automating your entire workflow, Python gives you the tools to do it all. Imagine being able to automate mundane tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more important things. Python gives you the tools to do it all. With a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, a supportive community, and a wide range of applications, Python truly is the language that can take you from a beginner to a coding superhero. Now I know what you might be thinking. Learning a new skill, especially something like coding, can seem daunting, but one of the best things about Python is that it's incredibly accessible. You don't need any fancy or expensive software to get started. Unlike some other languages that require complicated setups and configurations, Python is all about keeping things simple. You can literally start writing code in a basic text editor like VS Code or PyCharm, both of which are free to download. And to run your code, all you need is the Python interpreter, which is also free and super easy to install. We're talking about a ridiculously low barrier to entry here. You can go from zero to coding in a matter of minutes. No complicated setup, no technical hurdles, just pure coding goodness. So, let's recap. Python is known for its clean, readable syntax, making it incredibly beginner-friendly. It's got this massive, supportive community that's always down to help you out. And it's not just some niche language. Python is used everywhere in the tech world, from web development to data science to AI. We're talking about a skill set that's in high demand, which translates to some serious earning potential. And the best part? Getting started with Python is easier than ever. No complicated setups, no expensive software, just you, your computer, and a world of coding possibilities. If you're even remotely curious about coding, I highly recommend giving Python a shot. It's a valuable skill to have, it's fun to learn, and it could open up a ton of doors for you in the future. And there you have it. Python's simplicity, versatility, and strong community make it the perfect first language. Whether you want to build websites, analyze data, or automate tasks, Python is the best starting point. Ready to start? There are tons of free resources available online. Check out a free Python course on Codecademy, or head over to Python's official website for their beginner-friendly tutorial. Trust me, once you start exploring the world of Python, you'll be amazed by what you can create. So dive in, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.